Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rocha. I'm a Technical Service Manager of Metalube Group. Now I'll be presenting Metalube's Group's Advancing Lubricant Sustainability within the copper wire industry. I'll be talking about copper wire lubrication, the case for sustainable lubrication, lubricant analysis and performance comparison, and key industry improvements, a case study. Drawing copper wire in multi-wire, intermediate, high speeds, fine, ultra-fine industries requires optimal lubrication in all application zones. By using Metalube's next-generation products, lubrication will be improved on drawing dies, capstans, and will ensure an exceptional surface finish. The case for sustainable lubrication. Involving industry demands, customer expectations, regulatory tightening, workplace safety. Efficiency improvements with ROE, return on investments, reduced lubricant consumptions, die life extension, and cleaner wire surfaces. Optimized lubricant performance, the balance of synthetic performance with emulsion control. Key industries challenges for conventional lubricants, lubricant breakdown, reduced thermal stability, reduced cleanliness, and frequent downtime, and also increased costs. Our laboratory went into deep analysis regarding lubricant analysis. First of all, cleanliness. A copper intake test, emulsion samples mixed at 50 degrees Celsius for 100 days to simulate heat from the wire drawing process. Copper and copper oxide powder added intermediately to mimic copper wire exposure. Higher copper consumptions indicates low resistance to copper contamination. Product advances, resistance to copper contamination. We got sample number 1, it's a conventional lubricant. Sample number 2, mineral oil-free lubricant, 100% synthetic. As you can see, initially, both samples have 0 copper content milligrams per liter. After 28 days, the conventional lubricants will have around 20 milligrams per liter of copper contents. This next generation lubricant, mineral oil free, will come down and have 5 milligrams per liter of copper contents. After 100 days, we could see that the sample number 1, conventional lubricants, will have 200 milligrams per liter of copper contents. Mineral oil-free lubricant, 100% synthetic, comes down to 30 milligrams per liter. Sustainable lubricant, a case study. On an application coated steel fine wire drawing, high speeds and single wire, the average foam additions during field life have been reduced in 50%. Also, the biocides additions during this field life had a reduction in 50% also in this product. Related to the fungus during the field life, we could see 100% reduction in these additions. Average dryer breaks during the field life, we saw an improvement and a 45% reduction in the average wire breaks. The average field life of this new next generation product had an increase of 20% in its life. Keys takeaway. The demand for sustainable and high-performance lubrication within the copper wire industry continues to rise to overcome significant environmental and operational challenges. The goal is to mimic the best of both worlds, functionally of synthetic/mineral oil, low temperature wetting plus high temperature boundary film, while removing regulatory, environmental, cleaning, cost, and compatibility issues associated with traditional lubricants. This product will improve machine cleanliness. It has an excellent copper soap resistance It will minimize buildup for smoother operations and longer tool life. And as I explained, it is resistant to bacteria and fungus.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.